Google has long been perceived as the world's most famous tech company, but OpenAI has taken over as the world's most famous AI company, and Google is not happy about it. So they're launching an all-out AI battle to take down ChatGPT with Gemini. In behind-the-scenes moves that you probably haven't heard about, Google's goal is for Gemini to dominate business, reshape AI-powered work, and even challenge how we search the internet. But can it dethrone ChatGPT? Or will ChatGPT become the new Google search? Let's break down Google's grand plan to outmaneuver OpenAI's AI dominance. As a reminder, ChatGPT quickly became the most well-known AI program in the world following its launch in November 2022. It has changed how people use AI, making it easier to access, more interactive, and more useful. By using advanced natural language processing, ChatGPT has helped countless industries by automating tasks, creating content, improving customer service, and transforming the way people understand the role of technology in their lives. Its popularity grew rapidly, reaching 100 million monthly active users within 2 months. By February 2025, ChatGPT had over 400 million weekly active users, showing its widespread use and influence. ChatGPT's introduction changed how people communicate with AI. Unlike older chatbots that followed fixed scripts, ChatGPT could hold natural, context-aware conversations, making it highly adaptable. Users could ask detailed questions and receive long, well-structured answers on almost any topic. Its easy-to-use interface and advanced neural networks allowed it to produce human-like text with great accuracy. This improvement in AI impressed millions worldwide and set a new standard for conversational AI tools. Gemini was introduced as a direct competitor to ChatGPT, with the goal of offering better features and a more advanced user experience. Initially launched in 2023, Gemini is designed to work smoothly within Google's ecosystem, providing an intelligent AI assistant that can handle difficult tasks. The March 2025 release of Gemini 2.5 Pro, the latest version, represents a major improvement in AI. This model includes built-in reasoning abilities, allowing it to analyze information deeply and make well-informed decisions. Unlike earlier AI models, it does not just predict text, but also engages in internal decision-making. Gemini was developed based on Google's vision for the future of AI. It is designed as a highly capable tool that benefits from Google's advanced technology and extensive resources. It is powered by Google Search, allowing users to ask detailed questions and receive accurate responses based on context. In addition, Gemini features Imagen 3, a sophisticated image generation model that enables users to create high-resolution images from simple instructions. With these combined capabilities, Gemini is a valuable tool for both personal and professional use. So is there really any difference between these two tools? Yes and no. They both do a lot of the same things for sure. But there are a few key differences that Google plans to exploit for its advantage. Gemini seamlessly works with Google's services, which exist in a built-in ecosystem that OpenAI lacks. Despite OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft and integration with some Microsoft products, OpenAI and Microsoft are competitors in some ways. That's partly why OpenAI recently announced its own data center, rather than continuing to rely on Microsoft's data centers. In contrast, Google's ecosystem includes Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Chrome, Android, Workspace, Photos, Meet, and more. Infusing these services with Gemini creates a powerful network effect that OpenAI can't achieve even with Microsoft. This is a major benefit for Google, which aims to market Gemini as a superpowered AI tool due to its integration into Google's suite of products and services. For businesses that rely on Google for their everyday tasks, this is quite an appealing dynamic. Gemini can greatly change how businesses work, from small companies to large corporations, by making tasks faster and encouraging new ideas. It has strong abilities in understanding language, recognizing images, and learning patterns from data, making it useful for many industries. In customer service, Gemini can study customer data to create personalized experiences, helping businesses improve customer satisfaction and build long-term loyalty. In supply chain management, it can analyze large amounts of information to improve delivery processes, cut costs, and boost efficiency. In the financial industry, Gemini can help detect fraud by examining transaction patterns and spotting unusual activity. Its advanced coding skills make it a valuable tool for software development, allowing companies to create and improve code quickly. The healthcare field also benefits from Gemini's abilities, as it can analyze medical images and patient records to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and provide faster treatments. Since Gemini can process different types of information, businesses can use it for many tasks, such as marketing strategies, research, and product development. Generative AI is a significant challenge for Google Search, which has been the main way people find information online. Traditional search engines work by matching keywords to web pages and showing links. However, generative AI can answer complex questions directly, making searches easier and more natural. Users can ask detailed questions in regular language and get full answers without clicking multiple links or worrying whether they're typing the right keywords. This change could reduce traffic to search results, affecting Google's advertising income and control over internet searches. This will be Google's trickiest challenge to overcome, as people now search for things with ChatGPT instead of Google. To keep up with the times, Google has added generative AI to its search tools. You see this with its AI Overview, which displays AI-generated answers to Google search queries at the top of your search results. Google has also devoted a lot of time to testing new AI search features in the company's labs, helping Google stay competitive in the generative AI era and not let its search function get out-innovated by other AI tools. Google is trying to avoid becoming a business school case study on failure like the camera company Kodak. Kodak was the most prominent company in the photography industry, but its leaders dismissed the rise of digital cameras and cell phones and ultimately went bankrupt because of its inability to adapt to digital photography. Google is therefore relentless about adapting its search tool so it doesn't end up like Kodak. As of early 2025, Google Search is still the most popular search engine in the world, far ahead of its competitors, including ChatGPT-based search tools. Even with the growth of AI tools like ChatGPT, which provide direct and conversational responses, most people still prefer traditional search engines like Google for finding information. However, this dynamic is shifting. More users, especially young people, are turning to chatbots and AI tools for specific tasks. These systems offer personalized responses based on context, making it easier to find information quickly. People appreciate how AI tools understand natural language and provide accurate answers without requiring them to go through multiple search results. This change is especially noticeable in areas like customer service, healthcare, and online shopping, where getting fast and precise information is very important. As young people get older, and an even younger generation adopts generative AI tools as their version of Google Search, Google may find itself in the battle of its commercial life. They know that battle is coming, and that's why they've been preparing. Will Google's strategy succeed, or will OpenAI remain the #1 company people think of when they think about AI? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech wars.